Hello guys, welcome back to Food Right Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making oven grilled croaker fish and some fried stew to garnish it. Also I will be making fried plantain and fried yam. Okay, so before we get into this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification button to notify you each time I post a new video. Alright guys, so let's get started. So here I have croaker fish, chili pepper, so it's the same thing as, you know, the bell pepper that you know. Also spring onions, turmeric, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, also red onion and scotch bonnet. Okay guys, so I've washed the fish. I've scraped all the scales, removed the fins, the gills and the dirty inside, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm popping the fish with a kitchen towel, so both the inside and the outside of the fish, as I'm doing in this video. And this is to make sure that there's no any water remaining in the fish as I will be grilling it. So I've chopped up the fin, the tail, then I slash it into 5 so that when I'm marinating it, the spice will penetrate into the fish really well. And then so now first I'm going to be seasoning it with some black pepper and all-purpose seasoning, though you can as well use salt, but I prefer the all-purpose seasoning. So you can repeat the same method for the, you know, for the whole, for the remaining fish. Mind you, this portion of fish is for 4 people. Okay, so here are all the spices. So I'm going to be blending everything together. This is fresh turmeric. Like I used to say, I don't, you know, peel them. I just wash it and just cut it straight away. The same thing as ginger. I don't peel it. I just wash it and cut it and just blend. So here I'm adding a little water. Make sure you don't add too much water because you don't want the sauce to be too, you know, watery. You just want it very thick because I'm going to be putting it on the fish. Okay, so this is the pepper after I blended it. So now I'm adding curry powder, thyme, suya powder, Maggi cube, chili flakes, salt to taste. So now I mixed all the spice together, then apply it to the fish, both the inside and the outside of the fish. Guys, one thing I would like to advise is that when you're applying the spices to the fish, make sure you wear a thick gloves so that, you know, you don't get caught by the fish bones. If you notice, I put some spring onions inside the fish. This is just to give it, you know, a very nice flavor. The reason I use string to tie the fish, this is to avoid the spring onion falling off the fish, so that, you know, it will be firm. So now I sprinkle some oil on top of the fish, and yeah, so anyway, if you are making more than one, just apply the same method you did to the first one all through to the rest of the fish. And yeah, so now I'm about to put it in the oven. So after, you know, marinating all the fish, so I get a tray ready. Then as you can see in this video, I can only put 3 fishes in the tray. So I'm going to be putting the 4th one in another small tray that will be underneath this one in the oven. Okay, so this is how the croaker fish looks like after 30 minutes of grilling. And so I'll start the preparation of the pepper to garnish it. Okay, so these are the remaining ingredients. So here I've got yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, also scotch bonnet, spring onions. As you guys know, I love spring onions. Also the spice, which is curry powder, thyme, paprika powder, also Maggi and salt to taste. So what I'm going to be doing is I will chop everything. I'm not blending it this time around. I'm just going to be chopping them.
Come and get some real recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I do say no cooking, but then you back up on your brain. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangas ni patika iko. Every day to new. Okay. So many times I did wonder, waiting to make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish. Pour me some wine, make a step down. Bambi muse no cooking job, but then you back on your brain. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangas ni patika iko. Every day to new, check a farabale, catch your jam, I like it to you. Language number will let you see you lay to ya to watch your body loud. Come and get some real recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I do say no cooking job, but then you back up on your brain. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangas ni patika iko. Every day to new. Waiting to make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish. Pour me some wine, make a step down. Bambi muse no cooking job, but then you back on your brain. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangas ni patika iko. Every day to new. Onjaji now, ejeka farabale, kajoja umalaki to you. Language number will let you see you lay to ya to watch your body loud. Come and get some real recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I do say no cooking job, but then you back up on your brain. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangas ni patika iko. Every day, so many times I did wonder, waiting to make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish.
Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video now. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it, even though you don't get to taste it. Anyway, you know what guys, just go ahead and make one for yourself and let me know how it turns out to look in the comment section below. And please guys, do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video with friends and family. Bye bye. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I do say no cooking job, but then you back up on your brain. For me, ni pamoto muka. Can afford to miss it.